Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for your groceries using PayPal. How do you actually go ahead and connect it both together? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sprouts app. Next, click on More on the bottom right hand corner, then click on Account Settings, then click on Payment Methods, and then click on PayPal. So once you click on PayPal, it's going to prompt you to log on to the PayPal app. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.